Hey guys, Ken from Apparel Talk. Today we're going to show you how to put a picture screen printed on a t-shirt. Stay tuned after the intro. Hey guys, so I've been asked a couple times, how do you put a picture onto a t-shirt? Well, there's two different types of ways. One is screen printed, one is sublimation. But today we're going to talk about how to screen print a design or a picture onto a t-shirt. Now there's two different ways. There's CMYK, which is a 4-color process, or there is a black and white. Today we're going to show you how to do a black and white. Now, we just took an image off the computer, and we're going to print this in a black and white. It's Muhammad Ali. We're just going to print it and give it to my son so he can just wear it around. But today we're going to show you how to do that. So let's dive into the computer and get started. Okay guys, so we're in Photoshop. We're going to go in and we're just going to grab our picture of Muhammad Ali. This is already in a black and white design, but we're going to still use this one anyways. Again, we're going to be printing this on a white t-shirt, so we're going to be using black ink. And since you're doing this, it's going to be a lot of halftones. But for foremost, let's we're going to start a 13 by 19 because that's our film output. We're going to delete it so there's no background. Now, let's see what this is. This is locked. The image is 15 by 26. We don't really need it that big. So let's bring that down quite a bit. So that looks like it's going to be 5.62 by 10 inches. I'm going to bring that up to a 300. Now this was a really poor quality image. It was 72 DPI. Normally you want to be working with at least a 200 to 300 minimum. But we're going to bring that in. It doesn't look like it lost a lot of detail because again we're going to be doing this in black and white anyways. Alright, so we're going to grab this and we're just going to take it over to our film output color. Alright, so it's at a 300. We're going to go to mode and we're going to go to grayscale. It's going to ask to merge. Yeah, go ahead. Alright, now it was already in grayscale, but that's kind of where we need to go before we do bitmap. Going to go into bitmap. It's going to flatten layers. It's going to do 300 with halftones. Okay, now the frequency, normally you want to go by your mesh. So you want to take your mesh. So normally on a black and white photo that you're going to print, or even CMYK, you're going to want to know the frequency. Now normally with this you want to do the mesh divided by 5. So today we're going to be using a 250. We're going to divide that by 5, and that's at 50. Okay, now the angle, I've always found angles to be around 22.5 for pictures, and then we're going to do the round for the halftones, and then we're going to hit OK. Now it still looks like a good picture, but when you zoom in you can see all the little details, alright, of the little dots. That makes it very important for us to screen print this. Now I don't have AccuRip, I don't have any of those softwares, so this is how I go about doing this. And then from there you can go ahead and print. We're going to use our Canon, okay, for the and then inside here we're going to go down. We're going to want to make sure that we have registration marks, so we can at least know where our lines are for it to set up. And then once you do that, you're going to hit print. So let's get this going and go to the washout booth. Alright guys, so we're going to use a white t-shirt like always, and we're going to give it 1 or 2 passes, and we'll show you what it comes out to look like. Stay tuned. Now, could it have been a little bit better? Yes. I probably washed it out a little too much here on the top. But, as you can see, you can do a full black and white picture. Let's see if we can get some better light. There you go. Move that screen out of the way. Now again, you can do sublimation. I did a sublimation a little bit earlier. This was just to, I converted my Epson 1430 from my my film output to a sublimation printer, and I sublimated a G.I. Joe just to make sure it's working properly. Plus, kind of like that shirt. But anyways, so that's how you can do a black and white photo. Again, you can do a CMYK, which is a full color design. maybe we'll show you guys that later in the future. If you guys like what you guys seen, if you guys want to see more, please let us know in the comments what you guys want to see. Please let us know that as well. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Please like this. It's helping our channel grow and get more content out to everybody like you that is watching. As also, we do have some stuff coming up where we're going to start doing some interviews to other screen printing shops as well as some clothing lines. If you guys want to see that, please let us know in the comments below. But if you haven't, please smash that thumbs up right now. It gets out to everybody so these videos can be seen and we can help this screen printing industry grow even more. But like always, be safe and have fun till next time.